Hello. Okay, so in this video you're gonna notice a little bit different. I'm using my phone to record on for this one, and I'm using my other camera, the one I'm having a lot of problems with, to film the second picture you're seeing of the roast being cooked. I want to see how this is going to work, because this camera is just, it's going to be the death of me. But anyway, so we're going to cook another beef roast. Oh, we're going to cook another beef roast. But this time, I'm going to do it just a little bit different. I have my mushroom soup mix, and I'm also not going to pan fry this, or sorry, I'm not going to sear this first. Yeah, we're just not going to do that because it's going to shrink. And I'm not going to overcook it this time either, because I'm going to cook it in the crock pot. Anyway, we're also going to use something I haven't used in a long time. Onion soup mix. Now, yes, I do make my own, but because I haven't been able to eat onions for so very long, I didn't know how, if I was even going to be able to eat it, so I figured I'd just buy it first. So video coming soon of making your own homemade soup mix, or onion soup mix, because I have a whole bunch of spices I need to make. So we're going to do that. But anyway, we're done yammering on this. We're done yammering right now. Let's turn on the second camera and get going making this roast. All right, so now you can see I have you pointing directly above the crock pot. I completely forgot that I had this tripod that did that up until like last week when or not last week, but just a few days ago when I did my meal plan. Completely forgot about this camera until now. Anyway, so we're going to cut the roast open. That's where I put the other scissors. They're literally right beside me. Oh well. My hands are clean, because I wash my hands before I start doing anything. Okay, so that is going to go in there. This is going to go into the garbage. Rinse my hands off real quick. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm not putting much in the way of seasonings, salt, pepper in this one. You know you have a very good seal when you go to open it and, oh, hang on. There it is. You see that? You see that? That right there, that's what you're looking for, because that dented it right up. There's a better angle of it. Okay. That's why you don't reuse lids for canning, because if you have a very good seal, that should be happening. Okay. So we're going to get that in there. Now we're only going to use half of the seasoning mix. It's all hard on the bottom. Okay. We're only going to use half of this. We don't want that whole thing in there. If you want to, go ahead, but it's preference. It's a preference thing. So that's it. That is all I'm putting in there. Half a thing of onion soup mix. Sorry, I was just fighting with the box there. Or that would be equivalent to about 2 tablespoons worth of, sorry, that's a habit. 2 tablespoons worth of the homemade soup mix, and 1 jar of the mushroom soup mix starter, or not mushroom soup mix starter. Yeah, this works. Mushroom soup mix starter. We're going to put the lid on that, and we're going to cook that for, until it's done. Well, I'm putting it on low, so it'll be about between 4 and 6 hours. I'm really going to watch it, because I really don't want this to be like this big again and burnt and dry. Well, it wasn't burnt, but it was dried out. But anyway, okay, we'll be back. 4 to 6 hours. Okay, so the roast is pretty much done. I just need to let it sit for, oh, you're over there. I just need to let it sit for a little bit. I have potatoes boiling, but you can see here we got some cabbage steaks. We're gonna make some cabbage steaks. So So I've got them on. Sorry, my brain's not fully working right now. I just have them on some tin foil. Just gonna put some olive oil on them. Let's brush that around on there. We're going to keep it really, really simple. I have this here. Where is it? There it is. I got this here. We're going to use some of this. This stuff is so good. The Bragg's 24 seasoning. There's no salt in it, so I am gonna have to add some salt. Oh, I should have grabbed another one of these when I was in that store today. Oh well. Get some salt on there. And into the oven this goes, 425. I'm hoping that this will only take about 40 minutes. Less will be better. Okay, be back when everything's done. Okay, so you guys probably want to see the roast now, right? Looks really good. Now I do need to pull it out and let it rest. I tried to go through a string. So look at that, it's beautiful. And we have all this that we're gonna turn into a gravy. Okay, so we'll be back when everything's done. Okay, and now we are all done. So we have the roast here. I've got it all chopped up. And of course, the gravy, potatoes. I decided to go with just boiled potatoes with butter and salt on them. And the cabbage, the roasted cabbage steaks. Yum. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll be back again soon. Bye.